Hello friends, I am Pauline, the mermaid in Mouse and Mermaid, and today I am coming to you with my September/October pin and magic mail and merch and all things fun Disney unboxing haul. Now, I'm combining September and October because I made a big purchase that I opened in September. It was a 7-box Bibbidi Box unboxing. So if you haven't seen that already, I will put the link above. My purchases for September and October are very small. However, I got some magic mail from a friend and I won a contest on another YouTuber's channel. So I'm gonna also open those in this unboxing and it is gonna be a lot of fun. So let's dive in. First up, Phil and I did a purchase on ShopDisney, and I did already show you some of those items in my Halloween pin haul, which I will link above, but we got a couple other things in the box that I wanted to share with you as well. The first two were for Phil, and they were these magic bands. Phil is obsessed with collecting magic bands. He actually has a pretty good collection. We both have a decent collection, but his is a little bit bigger. I'm gonna have to do another video for you guys showing our massive magic band collection. But let me show you these two that he got off of ShopDisney. So the first one is this limited release Animal Kingdom magic band. So on the one side, you are gonna see the parrots that fly over right in front of the Tree of Life. You're gonna see Everest, the safari, and a dinosaur that won't allow us to make it. Then on the other side, we have a little bird, the Tree of Life, and Mickey. He's got a little flag with the vintage Walt Disney World logo. And here is our second magic band. It is Adventureland. So the one side says Adventureland, and it features Awesome Orange Bird, the Jungle Cruise riverboat, and a pirate ship for Pirates of the Caribbean. Then at the bottom there's also a little lamp for the magic carpet ride. And on the other side, you are going to find a carpet itself, a skull and swords for pirates, one of the squirting tikis, the Dole Whip, another tiki, and overall there's like palm trees and tropical flowers. So that is the Adventureland magic band. Then the last item, other than the pins that I got, was this little pajama top for Zeus. It's a little Christmas one because it's never too early to start celebrating Christmas. But these little pajamas are just adorable. They have gingerbread all over them. Gingerbread Mickeys, gingerbread minis, little trees, and snowflakes. And Zeus actually loves wearing little sweatshirts and stuff around the house. And actually helps keep him pretty warm when it's a little bit cooler in our home. He'll wear his spirit jersey, no problem. So this is perfect for us to have for him once winter comes. He does have the Christmas spirit jersey, but we need multiple outfits for him, you know? And then next up is the one and only pin I got that is not Halloween themed. It is this beautiful Belle pin. And Belle is wearing her gold dress. It has some beautiful glitter detail, and her upper bodice is actually almost a rose gold color. It is very pretty. This is gonna go perfect as I expand my Belle pin board. And then next up is a box from my YouTuber friend Mary. She actually has a channel called Jolly Holiday with Mary, and she sent me a cute little package. I love it. Has all of these princess stickers. Ariel's in the back doing her hair. And she also has some fun candy corn and pumpkins. We are both obsessed with fall and Halloween vibes, but more so, literally can't wait for Christmas. Mary calls Halloween pre-Christmas, and I totally agree. Little trick or treat sticker here. It's hard for me to cover up the other amazing sticker, but it literally says Jolly Mail. She made the sticker herself. It is so beautiful. You can probably see the sticker on her Instagram somewhere, so you should definitely go check her Instagram out. I will link all of her stuff below. I feel like I'm opening a Bibbidi box right now. It's got the tissue paper and everything. And lots of other fun Halloween stickers. And she has a cute little note here. I'm not gonna read it out loud though. Oh my God, I'm gonna cry. She even gave me a little sticker of Zeus. This literally is Zeus. Thank you, Mary. Oh my goodness. What? Oh my gosh. What? You did not have to do this. Oh my God. So she got me this hat and it has a pumpkin on it. But the back says Mouse and Mermaid. This is, I think, the first Mouse and Mermaid swag that I own. All right, I have this like little puff thing on my head, so it's like not going on properly, but let me redo my hair and show you with my hat on. It's gonna be at the end of the video, but I'll put it in here. And here's my new hat. I really like it, Mary. I have not worn many hats before, but I have this like ponytail thing that I put in my hair, and the hat fits good. I'll be sporting it in our next live video. And I'm feeling like really fall with this hat on and this jacket. Okay, also, so many awesome stickers. So many stickers. All right, so first up is our Magic Movie Club sticker. Check this out. And then next up, we made a Halloween version. Look at these illustrations that Mary did. She is so darn talented. And then I am obsessed with her little logo sticker. It is so cute. And some more beautiful stickers not made by Mary, but just so cute. First up is this little mermaid sticker. Then we have a bunch of Halloween ones. I can't wait to use these in my notebook for the Magic Movie Club. Yes to these pumpkins. Oh my gosh, she showed all of these to me and I am so happy she gave me some. Oh my gosh, I love cute ghosts. They're so stinking cute on the sticker sheet. Mary, thank you so much. That box was so much fun and your card just almost brought tears to my eyes. I am so grateful for your friendship. All right, last big one. This has been sitting with me for way too long. I actually got this literally the day after I filmed my August pin haul and Magic Mail unboxing, but I won this in a channel contest for the Pumpkin Queens. And I absolutely love the Pumpkin Queens channel, so I will also link them down below. You need to check them out. I am a proud completist of their channel, so I've watched every single one of their videos, and Megan and Juliet are just mom and daughter goals. I hope I have a spunky little cute daughter just like Juliet, and Megan is just such a good mom. So thank you girls for making some awesome videos. I just love watching them, and thank you. I cannot wait to unbox this. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna cry. Juliet drew me this little mermaid card. It is so cute. Juliet, this is beautiful. And Juliet actually did a video of how to draw the Little Mermaid, so if you want to learn, she has a great video for you. Aww. She wrote a cute little note. Thank you, girls. So the first thing I got was a Wishable. This is a limited release Monsters Inc. Wishable set. I have never opened a Wishables. I am excited to see what they're all about because everyone just loves them. I almost opened this before I told you we could get Boo, Mike Wazowski, the little car, or Roz. I don't know, I probably would want Boo. If I had to guess what was in here, it might be Boo. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it is! So it's little Boo, and she has her little costume. It doesn't fit over her head, but it's kind of hanging back there. And I think the Wishables, it's like an earmark of their plush style. They have little stars in their eyes. But this is really cute. What an awesome little plush. Then I got a Frozen blind pin box. So on the back here, it shows that you can get, this is actually from Frozen 2, so you can get Anna, Elsa, Kristoff, the water horse, Sven, another water horse, but with Elsa. You can get Olaf, Anna and Elsa together, or Olaf reading. If I had to pick the one I want most, it would probably be this Elsa one right here. All right, let's open it up and see what I got. It's definitely not the Elsa one, I can tell from the bag. It might be Sven. Oh, it's Olaf. It's little Olaf here. So little Olaf right here is a very sparkly white pin. He looks so friendly and fun. And he has some snowflakes in the bottom corner of his snowy body. This is a really fun pin. I don't collect Olaf, but I do have a Christmas collection that I'm looking to start, and I think Olaf is the ultimate snowman that needs to be in everyone's Disney Christmas pin collection. Okay, then there's like this other bag here. I have no idea what's in this. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. So this is a Disney Parks ceramic ornament, and it is for Disneyland. It is just gorgeous. Phil and I haven't been to Disneyland yet, but we really hope to go probably in 2022. So this will certainly go on our tree, but have a lot more meaning come 2022. I actually have another one of these pin sets, so let's open it up and see if I got that Elsa. Ooh, it might be Elsa. It's Anna. And this Anna one also has a ton of glitter detail, and her freckles are just so cute in this pin. I say this every video, but I almost don't say it enough. I love how glittery Loungefly pins are. And I got another pin. It is the mayor from Nightmare Before Christmas. And if you guys know anything about the Pumpkin Queens channel, Nightmare Before Christmas is their life. And I know Megan already has this pin, so I'm so happy we can be pin twins now. And I also love this Nightmare Before Christmas pin because I just want to put it up when we have a 4th of July pin board. So here is the pin. It says re-elect the mayor for Halloween Town. I may even put this on our Halloween pin board because it is red and blue, but it is very, very minimal. It's almost looking black from far away. Another mystery package. And in honor of one of Juliet's favorite princesses, they included this Princess Jasmine mug. It looks like it has the lotus flower or whatever flower is in Princess Jasmine's like pool in the start. Is that right? And then it has the little magic carpet on the handle. Very cute. Okay, this is kind of insane. This is a Cruella Funko Pop. Some major glare with this one. I am not going to take her out of the packaging. But how flippin' cool. Her eyes are very scary looking. She has like this hypnosis, evil shock with these incredible eyebrows. Check those eyebrows out. I only have one other Funko Pop, and it is nowhere close to as insanely detailed as this one is. And finally, this might be my favorite item out of the whole unboxing, but I love this little duffel bag. It has Steamboat Willie on it, and it's very sizable. Like, look at this thing. It's huge. Lots of room inside too. It's like the perfect weekender bag, or like if you wanted to take it to the beach or something. It seems like a pretty durable material, so that is very exciting. Thank you so much, Megan and Julia. I really appreciate all these awesome items. I have some new pins to add to my collection, a new bag, a Funko. Wow, thank you so much, and keep creating some awesome content. I can't wait to see what else you guys put together. Well guys, that is it for my September, October pin slash merch haul slash magic mail, whatever you want to call it. I really appreciate you tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, give us a big thumbs up and comment below. Tell me, what was your favorite item that I got today? And if you aren't already subscribed, I would love for you to join the Mouse and Mermaid family. We do weekly vlogs of our lives, we do in-park Disney videos, and then I do a lot of these sit-downs where I show you Disney merch, Disney pins, or just talk about Disney in general. So if you want to check out more of that, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Until next time, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great rest of your day. Peace, love, and kwaherini.